Hello everybody. So today we're unboxing 12, I think, new Hot Wheels cars and a bonus older model that I've had lying around and a Matchbox. There's a Matchbox over here. So let's get started. Which car should we start with then? Because we got a whole bunch to look at. Oh, I don't know. Let's just start up here and work our... Actually, you know what? Let's start... Yeah, sure, we'll start up here. So our first car is the Twinnin' and Winnin'. Interesting name. It's part of the Hot Wheels Getaways. And there's no other information on the back. It's number 4 of 5. Pretty neat looking little... I guess it's like a off-road dune buggy thing. Then we got the 95 Mazda RX7. Looks real nice. The 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug in the tuned edition. The tuned version. Number 3 of 10. Also, that Mazda is a 6 of 10 from the factory fresh line. We have the 2 Jet Z from the Rod Squad. That's 2 of 5. We have the 96 Chevrolet Impala from the Nightburners line. That's 2 of 4. We got the 2019 Kia Stinger GT from the Hot Wheels Turbo. It's 4 or 5. We got the 06 Pontiac GTO. 5 of 10 from Factory Fresh. That's 2 from Factory Fresh so far, I think. And then we got the 98 Honda Prelude from Hot Wheels J Imports. That's a 2 of 10. It's pretty neat looking. Check that out. Okay. Where were we? Yeah, let's move these ones out of the way. I'm just looking to see which one we want to do next. We got the Nissan Silvia S13 from Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. It's a 7 of 10. And we got the Astana Hotto in black. I already had one of these in white, but I saw it in black and it looks really nice. From the Hot Wheels Drift line, 3 out of 5. Apparently it's from Fast and Furious Spy Racers, which I don't know much about that, but I do like the car. It looks really neat. Then we got the hollinator. I have one of these in green with an orange bottom. This is from Experiment Motors. This is a 3 of 10. So it's kind of neat to have another one. These ones have a neat feature where you can pull out the trailer kinda to put different cars on the back, which is neat. And then we have the 1985 Honda CRX, which this looks really nice. I have another Honda CRX, but it's a different version of the car. This is neat. I like this one. Looks more rally-ish than the other one, which I mean they're both basically rally cars, but that's really cool looking. All right, so the older model is an old Tony Hawk Skate Series, 1 of 4 cars, rigger motor. I'm gonna open that up, and then we have from Matchbox. This has been lying around for a little bit. The Matchbox self-driving bus. We're gonna take a look at that. This is Matchbox City. So we'll take a look at that. So which one do we want to open first? We'll just pick one and get started, though we're going to save this for last. Let's start with the Matchbox. This package was a little damaged when I got it, but that's okay. That's okay. As long as the car is still okay, and that's the important part. Let's open you up. Yep. It looks like, you know, when I got this, I just wonder if some kid tried to rip it open, but you never know anymore. But this was the last one on the shelf at the place where I bought it. That doesn't mean there aren't places that have more, though, to be honest. Oops. Let's check this out. Nice. Not big on self-driving cars, but I like this bus. It's kind of neat looking. It's a city electric bus. It's supposed to be a self-driving electric bus. And it's kind of neat looking. It says 101 City Center on it. Driverless automated electric city electric bus with the Matchbox logo. Yeah, it's just a neat little car. It's kind of cool. I like the translucent windows. That's neat. And of course, it might not be Hot Wheels. Let's see if it works on track. And yes, it does. Pretty cool. Look at that away. So there's our self-driving bus. Neat. I'll set that right there. Let's get the 2Jet Z opened up. Check that out. They had another one of these there in at the grocery store, actually, in silver, I think, but I think the black with the red looks really neat. And check it out, it's got like those shark teeth or something on it. I like the translucent red windshield. That's cool. Put that over there. Which one is next? Let's open up the Volkswagen Baja Bug. I've been sitting on opening this one up for a while. Just as long as the Matchbox self-driving bus. I've had this one lying around, I think. Let's open her up. I always have a hard time with this. I shouldn't, but there we go. Check that out. A tuned Volkswagen Baja Bug. That's neat. I do not think this will fit on track because of those big wheels. Well, it fits on track with low walls. But you know, it does fit on track. I'm surprised. I'm surprised this fits on track with those big wheels in the back. But that's cool. I like it. Neat little red, cartoony looking Volkswagen Beetle. Check out the exhaust in the back. That's cool. Hit that right there. What's next? Let's do the Honda CRX, the 1985. Check that out. This is definitely different than the one that I had before. Cause I had a different model of the Honda CRX. I forget which year it's from, but this looks really neat. I like the what do you call it? The way the hood goes in. It says turbo on the side. Neat. Pretty cool. I don't know if it's supposed to be a rally version or a drift version, but it's neat. It's really neat. I like it. Okay, we'll set that right there. We're going over. Set that right there. There's the first four. Let's open up. Let's open up the Pontiac GTO. Oh, that one opened up easy. Check that out. That looks nice. It says Super Duty right there. That is cool. Pontiac GTO. I love the color. Even though, I mean, it's not the. It kind of looks bronze. But I guess if you look at it too long, it could start to look not as good. But it kind of looks like a bronze, so I think that's kind of neat. But yeah, the longer you look at it, the more the color starts to look not so bronze. But it looks good. Got a little wheelie bar back there. You got your drag car wheels or whatever you call that right there. That's cool. Yep, and you can do a little bit of a wheelie with it, with the wheelie bar, or whatever you call that. So that one's opened up. Next up, let's do the Nissan Silvia. I passed this one up one day, and I should not have, but I got it now, so let's check it out. Ready? Open up. There we go. Check this out. That looks, I love the color. I really love the colors on this one. This one's got nice colors, nice graphics. Check that car out. That is cool. Nice car, nice car. Set that right there. What's next? Let's open up the Astana Hato. At least I think that's how you say that. From Fast and the Furious Spy Racers. Yeah, like I said, I had this car in white, and I think the white version has blue stripes on it. It's stored away right now. I really like the big spoiler on the back, and I like that they added this little like blue light thing on the front. That's neat. And like bronze looking headlights or something. The rear lights are on there. Reverse lights. The rims, the wheels look really nice in that gold. That is cool. This actually looks so much better in black than it does in white. I mean, it looks good either way, but it looks like a spy car, like a rally racing spy car, and that's awesome. Next up, the hollinator, and this is one of the ones with a special feature. Open that up. Okay, so here's the hollinator. It says JT's hauling on the side. That's kind of neat. Hot Wheels graphics and a bunch of other stuff has some words on there. Now, the special feature of the hollinator, this metal feels really nice. Are they using a different like paint or something? Because it feels so fresh. I mean, more so than other. Never mind. Anyway, so this opens up. There we go. That opens up like that, and you can fit other cars on the back. So let's put the Astana Hato on here, like so. You can push this piece in just a little bit to keep the car on the back of the hollinator. That is neat. So now it's up on the hollinator. Mostly held in place. It could still fall off, but that works. That looks neat. That looks real neat. I like the hollinator. I thought it was cool when I got the green one, the green-orange one. But the black and yellow one looks great. Looks even better. Especially with this car on the back. Yeah. That's nice. Oh, let's open up the Chevrolet Impala. There we go. Oh, cool. It's got a little Impala graphics right there. A couple other symbols are on there. I can't see what they all... There's a couple symbols on the sides. I think that's the company logo. That is so cool looking. Check that out. Okay, we'll sit this one right here. Let's open up that Twinnin' and Winnin'. Nope. Oh, hit the other car. That's not good. Check out the wheels on this. I wonder if this will fit on track by any chance. Just barely. Just barely. What about... Yeah, it fits. It actually fits. I'm surprised. Usually when they have big wheels like that, they don't fit. But this one does. Good off-road dune buggy thing. That's sweet. Oh, and it's got number 3 on the side and some really nice graphics too. Alright, next up, the 2019 Kia Stinger GT. I know they still made Kias in 2019. I'll be honest, I didn't think Kia was still around. There we go. Wow, this actually looks really nice. And feels really nice. I like it. It even says Stinger on the back. That is so neat. The cars feel heavier than usual. Maybe they're using heavier metal now? I could be wrong. It could just be the fresh paint, but they feel better than the cars I bought, like, say, just last year or just even earlier this year. I don't know what to say about that. But if they are better, that's good. They feel better. It's probably just the paint. But wow. Look at the paint job. It's very detailed. Next up, what do we got left? We got, let's save this one. We got the Mazda RX7. We got quite a few cars in black this time, didn't we? Hey, black looks good on cars, right? Looks great on cars, actually. Make any car look good if you paint it black. Oh, check this out. This looks nice. I swear Hot Wheels cars get better, like, almost every year. They look so much, like, they look better than previous year's models. I really think they're getting better and better and better. I don't remember the cars being this detailed. Looks so nice. I really like it. I mean, yeah, I know Hot Wheels has always done a good job with their cars, but I feel like they're starting to look even better. I mean, I guess it would. It's natural progression of the product. After all, they're quality products to begin with. Alright, check this one out. We got a 98 Honda Prelude. I really think this one looks nice, especially with the... I guess it's supposed to be like a carbon fiber hood, but it's really just a metal hood. But still, that's cool. Open you up. Come on. There. Whoa, that one opened up easy. Check the interior out. Nice red interior. I like the just slightly tinted windows. It all fits together so well. I like that hood. I really like the hood being black while the rest of the car is yellow. I noticed there's been a lot of black and yellow in this assortment. Because the hollinator is black and yellow. This car's black and yellow. That car's black with gold rims. And those two are black. And that one's black and red. But it all looks real nice though. I bet this car could do some good drifting. Like do some donuts and stuff. A nice assortment of cars. Very nice. Now, I was saving this older one for last. This one's been lying around forever. And I finally refound it after losing it a while back. I'm like, it's time to open it. And it's a Tony Hawk version. It actually looks really nice. It even says Birdhouse on the side. Oh, opened nice. Nice. There we go. Nice and open. One rigger motor, Tony Hawk version. Little skulls on it. Little bat on the front. I love the color that they put on that engine. This is an older one, but it's just as nice. And it probably even has more metal than the newer ones, but still. I mean, oh man, I just love these cars. And this is one of my favorite cars they ever made. Just check that out. Very nice model. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed watching this and checking out these cars. Let me know what you think in the comments, and maybe I'll see you around for some more diecast car videos, racing, collections, all that good stuff. See you around, and bye.